Hello everybody. So I am your host Gary Singh. Sorry for the delay. Today I am going to continue my work on movie app. So I need to make a HTTP client class to hitting the API. So first I need to make a new file which should be the name of HTTPS client. It should be HTTPS client. So I need to make a function which have some arguments. Search by have some arguments of such it should be in string and a completion. It should be escaping to returnable to my second views, other views, or you can say classes. So in that I use result, which is the feature of Swift 5. Oops. So in that I need two cases, which a success block and other is the error block. So in the success blocks I just pass the array of movie, and in other it should be network error. Okay, I'm going to make a enum of network error. It should be contain some cases no data, decode error, okay. It should return nothing, be white. So now I need to pass the URL. So let's make to a variable of URL is equal to URL, which should be in string. It should be bad URL. Okay, if it is not returning, I have some problem in the URL, so we just call the completion, make the failure case dot bad URL. If it is working fine, then we need to make a URL session dot share dot data task, which we need to make to pass the URL. Every data response the if data is equals to data, I need to make it unwrap guard statement. So after that we need to decode the data. If we have some data, so after that we need to decode it. So just try JSON decoder dot decode. In decode we need to pass data from we need to pass movie response. So if you watched my last tutorial, search is the root, so we need to pass the movie response into that from data. So we also need to make it in a guard statement. Else, oops, so I think it's have some problems with decode, cannot be used. Okay, I need to make instance of JSON decoder. If everything is going fluently, then we need to pass the completion with success block movie response dot movie. So it is built perfectly. Also we need to use the API key. So this is my API key. So as recommended, you need to make your own API key on the specified OMDBI console. So in that I just pass the key from the constant class, which I already have that key. So this is my HTTP client class. So I am going to replace few words of the API with the search key to make it more dynamic. Also we need to test the class working fine or not, and I'm going to refactoring it after that. Keep going. So it should be replaced to the search key that we have this search key in our argument. So that's pretty good. So I could be equal to s equal to, it should also be dynamic in the further tutorials. So for that I need to make a function on my content view. I need to delete this, and I need to call on a pair method, and on that just make a HTTP client dot search by not. It's not pretty much good. I need to make a shared instance of this class. Okay, so it should be Batman. So we have two cases in that switch statement. a success block and a failure case. So in that I need to make instance of movie, need to print, and the other case is the failure case, and let error, it should also be printed as error dot. Okay, what is the problem? Oops. Oh, I think it should have a problem in our this class. I forgot to need a resume method. Okay, so our data is printed perfectly. So it is a list of movies where you can see. Yes. So now I need to make refactoring to this class. So the main purpose to refactoring this class needs to be make more beautiful. So I need to make a new class of URL extension. So in that URL extension class I can extend the URL with a static function. A function name should be for movies, and it should return a URL which should be nullable. Okay, oops, it should be replaced by name, and this function I need to call that to be replaced URL dot for name. Name should be in such. Okay, so this is now refactoring has been done. Make it to let. So that's all. So this is our HTTP client completions. So I just complete this class. It's working fine now. I'm done with refactoring. So in these days, Swift UI is being to be very popular. Every company want to adopt this language. So don't forget to subscribe my channel to learn this language. Thanks.